So, Jules, you were talking about how you felt about using music in your work, and love to hear more about it.
I like a lot of music too, you guys, and people who know me, everything.
Mhm.
Just like I kind of have music on all the time, and it's a lot of different genres, and kind of depends on the
Yeah.
vibe of what's happening and all of that. But in doing some of the work that I've been doing recently for myself, sometimes I'll hit on like certain lyrics in a song that'll kind
Mhm.
of match up to what's going on with me. And sometimes I'll listen to that song more and really kind of focus on those times as like
Mm.
kind of reinforcement and like kind of a focus back to what I'm doing, even if the whole song doesn't match, you
Right.
know? Like
Right.
sometimes there's just a lyric set that you like. Maybe that's just my brain. I'm also a
Mhm.
little bit obsessed with like learning all of the lyrics to songs that I like.
So,
So there's certain songs that I like that have like lyrics in them that I really connect to. So
mhm.
sometimes when I'm like thinking about that work or bringing it back to it, you can kind of use it as like a focus. And
Mhm.
also when I'm just going through my day when that song comes on, because I'm always
Mhm.
have a playlist running, it can bring me back to center